So we are on the Ardnamurchan Peninsula, which is the furthest western point in the whole of the British mainland. It is home to some insanely beautiful vistas, mountains, lochs, and incredible wildlife. And it's also home to our wee distillery out here in the Highlands.
Alright guys, so we've got something pretty special here. So this is a collaboration between Marloe Watches and the Ardnamurchan Distillery, which is based in the West Highlands of Scotland. And they're actually celebrating their 10th anniversary, so that's why this collaboration's come about. So if you also love your whiskey as well as your watches, this is going to be perfect for you, or it might be the perfect gift for someone you know is into whiskey and watches. And obviously for this video, you knew I'd be wearing my Marloe watch that I've checked out on the channel previously. If you haven't seen the review for that, I'll leave a link to it up on the top, and also down in the description. I'm still loving it on this leather strap, I think it suits the watch perfectly. But getting back to this. So I'll quickly give you a closer look at the outside of the box before we open it up. And you'll see all the details that I was telling you about before, about this being a collaboration between the two brands. And then if we flick it round to the top, we've actually got the handle on here which says time well spent. And that's because this is a 10-year aged whiskey, as well as obviously the watch reference to it as well. But enough of the outside, let's get on to what's actually in this, because it is a really cool package. Just get this out of the way so we've got a bit more space. And then we'll carefully open this up using that handle on the top, because it does just slide out. And you can see already it is a really cool looking package. But if I get this out of the way, and then we'll get into it properly. So you'll actually get that 70 centilitre bottle, and this is actually a limited edition, so they're only going to be making 292 of these sets, and they're all going to be coming from the one cask, and that is cask number 233. So it's a 10-year-old sherry matured single cask whiskey, and all that information that I've just told you about it is actually printed on the label, and each one will have a unique number. This is a review sample, so it doesn't actually have a number on it. And if you want to know what this is actually going to smell like and taste like, they actually have those profiles on the website going into detail of all the different flavours and scents you're going to get. Obviously I've not tried it yet because this is just an unboxing, but I imagine it's going to be really nice based on what it says on the website, the different notes you're going to get. And I do quite like a bit of whiskey. Not a connoisseur or anything by any means, so don't be expecting anything like that when I do the full review. And then under here you can see that watch peeking out. Does look pretty nice, but we'll pop that to one side for a second and show you what else you get in here. And as you can see, it isn't just the paperwork, there are a few other little bits. And we're going to go over all of them. But we'll start with the paperwork, because there is some interesting bits on that too. So this first one is going over the bits to do with the cask that I briefly mentioned earlier, going into more detail on that. So I'll briefly pop this up, but if you want to go into more detail on it, just pause it and read through, or go on the website and check it all out. Same goes with this one, or you can scan this QR code if it will scan on the screen. It might not work, I'm not sure. And then the last one is about the watch. So again, it's got a QR code which might work through the screen, but if not, again, it's all on the website. And then on the other side, it's got some bits about the movement. But again, I'll get into all that when we do the full review. So as well as having that big bottle, we've also got this little 5cl one. So if you don't want to open the big one, you want to keep that as part of the set, you can taste it and just try it out with this. So I do appreciate they've done that. It's a nice touch. So if you really wanted to, you could keep that big bottle and age it for another 10 years. I don't know whether I'd have the restraint to do that myself, but we'll see. As I say, I do like a whiskey now and then. It's definitely my go-to spirit. Now, you're probably wondering what's this other thing above the bottle, so we'll get that out now and talk about that. So this is actually a small plug from the actual cask that the whiskey was aged in, number 233. So I think that is a pretty cool touch, having that in there. And again, as I say, there's only going to be 292 of these, so everyone's going to have one of them, and then that's it. Once these are gone, that's it. So you've got a nice little piece of history from that cask and from the distillery's 10th anniversary. But that's not everything. Before we get onto the watch, there is actually one other thing, which you might have missed, unless you look on the website, because I did initially. Everyone who buys one of these sets will also receive a behind-the-scenes tour of the distillery, and you've got to use that before the end of the year. So that is included in the price as well. So that is a really nice touch, I think. You can actually get to see where this is going to be made, and where it's actually come from, as well as getting to see the Highlands of Scotland. So that's it for all the extras you get in this. But you probably want to quickly see at least what the watch is like. So I'll show you that now. And here it is. So I think it is a really smart looking piece. It's got some details that tie it to the distillery and the collaboration there as well. But even without that, it's a really nicely made watch. Got the quick release spring bars there. Got that really nice custom rotor. Again, talking about the collaboration. And I'm guessing each one will have the unique number on. Again, this is a review sample, so it doesn't have it. And then if we take a quick look at the side of the case, you can see we've got some detailing on there. This might divide people, but again, it's tying it to the collaboration. So I think in this case, it's fine. It's looking like it's going to wear nicely on wrist with those nice turned down lugs as well. But when it gets to the dial, got some really nice copper coloured accents going on there. I do think it's a really smart looking piece. But again, this isn't a full review. I will test this out and then come back with a full review soon. I'll just give you another quick look of it with the strap as well, so you can see it all together. In fact, I'll get a zoom out so you can see it fully as well. There we go. So hopefully you agree with me that this is a really interesting collaboration and a really cool overall package. It's definitely got some really interesting stuff in there. And again, if you are someone who loves whiskey as well as your watches, or you know someone who does, then I think this set is going to be perfect. You can see there's definitely been a lot of thought put into this. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the full review. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.